Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish broth soup. First, collect about 2 pounds of fish bones, heads, and trimmings from non-oily fish. These parts are packed with flavor and nutrients, forming the perfect base. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables, such as 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, roughly chopped. These will infuse your broth with a wonderful aroma and depth. Once your ingredients are in the pot, cover them with approximately 8 cups of cold water. This slow heating helps extract maximum flavor. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, ensuring it never reaches a vigorous boil, which can make the broth cloudy. As it simmers, use a ladle or spoon to carefully skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the top, keeping your broth clear. Allow your fish broth to simmer gently for about 20 to 30 minutes. Over-simmering can extract bitter flavors, so timing is key. After simmering, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bowl or container. Discard the solids. Finally, taste your rich, flavorful broth and season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. It's now ready for your favorite soup recipes. Once your delicious fish broth has cooled completely, you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days in an airtight container. For longer storage, freeze it in smaller portions for up to 3 months. This makes it super convenient for future meals. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fish broth in various soups and dishes, adding a wonderful depth of flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.